welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. Today's video is about the basic things that you need for a wig install as a beginner. This isn't in order, but these are just some of the things that you'll definitely need. So we have cream foundation, and this is it goes on the inside of your wig, and then in the parting to more define it to make it look more natural. So I got this one at the hair store for $7. So this is one of the items that you will need. Next, we'll have the headband for tying down the wig to make sure it blends in, basically. Yeah. Then we'll have a wig cap. I prefer the HD lace because it's a lot thinner and it's a lot easier to work with compared to like the regular ones. So either is fine. It's just, to me, this is less work, and this you have to do more work for it to look natural and blend into your skin. Then we have the edge control for your edges, of course. Yeah. We have edge brush. Don't mind because it's a mess. We have most tint. It's not necessarily like you have to have this. It's kind of good to have it, but I prefer foundation first. I realized this lasts maybe up to 3 days max, and then this one lasts on the wig. This is good to have. Like, it's not necessarily needed, but it's good to have because you could always go in with it around your edges to blend the lace a little bit more into your skin. Then of course, definitely like the wax stick for like all the flyaways. So this is good to have. If you're like any part middle side, this you whoop, and then use your hot comb to like make it more flatter. So this is definitely handy. It's not a necessary need, but it's good to have for like straight line. So tail comb. Then we have the melting spray. You'll definitely need this to melt your wig into your skin, but just remember that a wig is still a wig, and you could tell it's still a wig. So it doesn't matter what product you use, how good it says like it's going to melt and it's gonna last days, or a wig is still a wig, and we could tell it's a wig, and it's fine. Next is a wig glue. Yeah, I've had this for a while, so that's why it's I don't know what's wrong with it, but this is bold hold active for oily skin. I do get oily when I sweat and I do work out, so I wouldn't even give it for like the active, but it comes in handy. So definitely a wig glue. I think these are called like eyebrow shapers. I use this to cut the lace like around, so it doesn't look as sharp or like has wiggy, I guess, because you know, if you're going with the scissors is gonna give you like a straight line, but with this I could always play with how I want it to look, and it's a lot easier for me to cut the wig according to like my hairline. So this is handy for that. You're gonna need, not need, but want a makeup brush to add your makeup to your wig. I'm gonna just bring the box in front of me. You're gonna need a tweezer for plucking out the parting, plucking out your edges. You're gonna need that. You're gonna maybe want a wig glue remover, but if you don't have this, you don't necessarily have to go out and get it. You could also use alcohol to remove your wig glue. It works just as fine as this. They're basically like, I don't want to say it's the same thing, but it's pretty much, it does the same thing as the alcohol. So if you don't have this, you can always use alcohol. So that's a good thing. And I think that's pretty much it that you'll want or need. There's a lot of kit on Amazon that have all of these products, or most of these products combined. So look into like Amazon. The creamy foundation, I got that at the hair store, so you'll most definitely have to get that at your hair store. Other things that you need, depending on the wig, or how you want to style the wig, would be like flat iron, your hot comb, maybe depending on what style that you're going for. But that's pretty much it. I did get a kit from Amazon with almost all of the products that I just showed you. It's a lot easier than going and buying it separately. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video.